Welcome back everyone. This video is going to discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers and how these words and topics apply to your current project. So the first question is, what is a social issue? And a social issue is a problem that influences many people, not a small group of people like just your community, but a large group of people. And down here you have an image where you see the social issues bubble, this diagram, and it points to a bunch of different social issues such as divorce, people with disabilities who have to overcome that, unemployment, war, disease, peer pressure, bullying, just being lonely, world hunger. There's a lot of different topics to choose from. Many were not even discussed in yesterday's video. So if you're still undecided on something, maybe this diagram will help. Now there are some on here that you need to be very careful of though. Things like suicide, what's the other one? Terrorism, violence. You want to make sure that if you're choosing a topic like that, it's not that you can't do it, but you need to be very careful in how you are presenting that problem in art in school, because we can't create artworks that demonstrate any kind of physical violence or harm to anyone. So it's not that you couldn't demonstrate war as your social issue or violence in the world as a social issue, but you need to show it in a way that wouldn't represent any weapons or represent anyone getting hurt. And if you do choose one of those topics, please message me and we can figure out a clever way around that so we can make your artwork appropriate for school. All right, lastly, you have the word contemporary. Contemporary means belonging or occurring in the present. So anything that you would read in the news or in the newspaper, anything you would see in the news, that's contemporary, that's current, that's happening now. You don't want to think about things that might happen in the future or things that have already happened in the past. You want to think about things that are happening now. Some things are timeless, like poverty and war. Sadly, those things will probably always exist, even though we all wish, I'm sure, that they didn't. But again, you want to not just pick a social issue, but one that's contemporary, one that's current. All right, so that's it for this video. Please make sure you complete your entrance ticket once you X out this video, and then make sure you also watch the layering colored pencils video so you know how to build your colors in your final project, because I am looking for some strong craftsmanship. I'm looking for some solid colors in your design. And then lastly, you're just going to begin your drawing today, whether you're sketching or starting your final, but you should be designing your overall image today. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing your progress today, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great class, everyone.